Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Core Audio silicone sleeve for ROKU remote. Close in the dark, anti-grip, back. Anti-slip grip, back. Now you can find these at the Walmart, a bunch of different stores for like $8. Seen around for $6.25. $5 at the Walmart. But I was reading through the reviews, and a lot of people are complaining that it doesn't actually glow in the dark and it doesn't fit right. But I figured for $5 it's worth a shot. Now it even has a little slot for that little tag. Has little, I don't know, raised parts for your side buttons. This one doesn't have a plug-in for a headset or earpieces or earphones, whatever you want to call it. Now my concern is that going to turn on the TV with that in front of it? It does seem to fit well though. Let's go ahead and see if it glows in the dark. I'm going to hold it underneath the light in the kitchen for a little bit, then we'll go and see if it glows in the dark. Now, as you can see, it does actually glow in the dark. I only had it underneath that light for a few seconds, but it does glow in the dark. It doesn't glow in the dark enough to see what your buttons actually are, but it does glow in the dark. I want to see if it'll turn on my TV. Okay, there's the TV, here's the remote. As you see, it came on and it went off. Now you can see the back has like a hexagram design on it to make it anti-slip, but to be honest, it still feels pretty slippery. But for $5, I'm pleased with it. I got it because I keep losing my remote in the dark and it's making it hard to find, but at least this way it'll glow in the dark. I know you can find it at Walmart, Postmark, Five Below, I think Amazon. But for $5, I'm going to say this is a bargain. I'm going to give it a solid 5 out of 5. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.